Hey guys, in this video I will show you 10 best bubble fonts in Canva. Alright, let's begin. At number 10, we have ST Bubblegum. It features a clean, playful bubble style that works well for colorful designs. At number 9 is Luckiest Guy, a bold, comic-style font that's perfect for eye-catching titles. At number 8, Sniglet offers rounded characters with a friendly appearance. At number 7 is Chewy, a quirky handwritten bubble font that's great for creative projects. At number 6, Coiny provides thick, rounded letters with a modern feel. At number 5 is Carter 1, known for its bold and smooth lettering. At number 4, Modak delivers a unique inflated bubble effect. At number 3 is Fredoka, a versatile, rounded font for almost any playful design. At number 2, Lolita 1 stands out with its bold and stylish look. Finally, at number 1, we have Baloo. It has thick, round, and highly readable design. Thanks!